Today pag-usapan natin basics ng fasting. So paano nga ba mag-fast? Tuwing kailan gagawin ang fast? The first thing is, don't fast right away. Hindi siya ang inuunang gawin. Why do I say that? At least yung extended na mga fasting po, yung fasting like the OMAD. So ano ba yung OMAD? OMAD is 1 meal a day. TMAD is 2 meals a day. Hindi yan ang inuuna nating ginagawa. Wag muna siya. You can start off with yung mga 12 hours. Pwede naman yun. 6 p.m. kunyari, it will be your last meal. Then the next meal will be 6 a.m. So that's 12 hours. Yun. Kayang-kayang gawin yun even without the preparation ng paglo-low carb. Pero yung mga matagalang fasting like, let's say, yun na nga, 18 hours to 20 hours, 22 hours, yan yung mga OMAD, TMAD. Hindi basta-bastang ginagawa yan ng walang tamang paghahanda. Because number one, it's doomed to fail. Kung galing ka pa rin sa high carb at maintain mo yung high carb na lifestyle, at some point, your body will not be able to withstand long periods nang walang kinakain. For sure, magkakaroon ka ng side effects. Side effect ng pagkagutom, like yung matinding gutom na nanginginig ka pa, masakit ang ulo, nangihina, ganyan. So the side effects come in, lalo na pag wala kang tamang preparation ng paglo-low carb because your body is not used to using fat as fuel yet. Tapos bigla mong isa-subject sa really long fast, you won't be able to sustain that. So unahing gagawin is to really adapt. Get the body to adapt to low carb muna until you notice that you're already fat adapted. Yun na nga ang mga senyales, hindi ka na nagugutom, na agad-agad nakakatagal ka na ng OMAD, 1 meal a day, or TMAD, 2 meals a day, and then you have more energy, wala ka ng cravings. Yan yung mga signs na ikaw ay ready na talaga mag longer periods of fast. So tuwing kailan gagawin ang fast? Marami nagtatanong. It's best to mimic it yung parang sleep-wake cycle mo rin. Because that by nature was the design na ang body mo nag-heal during the time that you're actually sleeping. Try to have perhaps not a very late dinner, so early dinner, maybe 6 p.m., then go all the way, depends sa iyong preference at stage mo na sa journey. You can go all the way to the lunchtime the next day, which will give you around 18 hours fast. So that's a very good starting point po sa fasting. Kasi once you go like 16 hours, dyan na talaga magsa-start yung, ketosis mo, you start to really use fat as fuel, all the way to 18. Iba-ibang tao, iba't ibang physiology, but usually when you reach the 18, yun na yan, yung autophagy is maganda na. So what is the autophagy? Yan yung self-cleaning na proseso ng katawan, self-healing na proseso ng katawan. And nangyayari lamang yan when you are already not bothering your body with food. Usually, sa longer fast, like 18 hours, doon na mangyayari na, magsa-self-healing na siya.